Greetings everyone, I'm making a new video about another strategy, well, testing strategy. This is a very simple strategy for beginner. Use one indicator. Which indicator? Moving average. We're going to use 20 on period and moving average. Let's configure it. Let's go to the first section here. M candle, time frame is 1 minute. We're gonna use the time 3 minutes on the time, okay? And let's go to the indicators. Here we put in moving average and configure it. As I said, for you, we're gonna use 20 on period on the moving average. We're gonna select EMA, exponential period. But Blake, let's use blue with a thickness of 2, and that's it. We have average. How to trade if it is average? Quite simple. First, you have to identify the trend. You can see that in right here is the price is above or below. It doesn't give the trend, but generally I'm on for entry the average. That's where the strategy rubber bound the average reject and the average generates. Of course, if the trend is bullish, I enter here. Sometimes one respect the average. As you can see here, but generally when it breaks, it works as support reacts as expected. So let's look for the entry on the exactly time right here and look at the moving average. I'll show it to you. Okay, here we have an entry, guys. Look at this. Look into trend pricing here. Price action. The first thing is to do is wait for it to break the average and then test it. Well, it does here, doesn't it? And then the price goes back. It's giving me an entry on the rise in the macro trends. You're gonna use on that on the USD, CDF, OTC. Let's see if it gives me a pullback so I can enter early. The candle closes upward. There's more for something interesting, right? Because sometimes it shows the average on and wides side and other times it's shown on other. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. I might get false information and enter where I shouldn't, but I open that, by the way, the buy button, and look at that. Okay, I'm going long for 3 minutes, guys. It's dip, it's not a mega bullish candle, but the price is reaction to average, so go long. The idea is wait for confirmation as it either gone down or go up, right? The entry is the average, the micro trend. The downside of this strategy is that it takes time. Sometimes it takes too long to touch. In terms of candle touch, totes can take a while. After 2 minutes, I wait for the first position to end it. Okay? So let's wait for that. I will be back soon. And boom, guys, look at that. We got this is our first win on that. $26 of profits on this one, man. That's very good for us. And the interesting thing is that the entry is late because I made this 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Generally, that's a rejection or waited for a test in the middle zone. It can always do that. Alright, decide we don't need to observe this tool. The goal is to enter slightly early. Let's see. Look, okay? We have something interesting in this pair. The price broke the average here. Tested and rejected. It's come back here, reject again, and fall further. But looking to see the price is breaking. But I must wait. In this case, it's important to wait because resistance is forming near the average. Just when it tries to break, the next candle breaks downward. The candle is the rejection and going to wait for one more candle. If this is bullish, I go slow upward. Otherwise, moving downward. Okay? The trend gives me a better chance to win. And look at that, guys. We just performed right here the downtrend, as I said for you on audio and ZD. Let's click on the favorite list to make this one and look at this point. We have 3 touches on the line on this one. That's showing for us the reject, and that's for sure. So let's wait for that confirmation and for this position right here. Alright guys, and look at that position gaining out and the OTC. That's my second success using the average strategy. $49 of profit. My balance has increased to $50. I will perform 2 more trades using this criterion. When I find the entries, I show them. Going along the face right here, Facebook Inc. OTC, moving average strong upward. Because of that, I click on the buy button. In this movement, these points of impact are clear. I expected the price to return to 20 on moving minute average. It's interesting since how often respects limit near the average. Alright? That is because you need to pay attention on this. That is your line or safe zone, and that should be or a resistance line. Okay? Look at that, the second shadow, the previous on the candle. The other one is trying to move up. Okay? Just confirmation, that's on M1, and look at that, guys. That's very, very important for us. And the candle just started to go up. Let's wait for that. Alright, guys, another success trade went in. The price returned to average and it gave me an deal entry, 46 of profit. Sometimes waiting for one more candle brings better clarity. Now my balance is up to $96 for the last entry. I entered this price reaction, the average again. Though I should be wait longer, the upward trend is giving me confidence. Okay, let's wait for that. 14 seconds just to get sure of this. I'm gonna use $96 to get this one. Okay, let's see. Look at this, guys. On the zone right here, we have an uptrend, a downtrend, and maybe that will be an uptrend again. As I showed for you on a live, just click on the buy button on that M5 now, and look at this, man. That is very strong on the moving average line, as I showed for you. Confirm or upward. Okay, that is our safe zone. You can trace a line right here. That is up to you. All right, let's wait for that, guys. Let's wait for the confirmation. When I have the reverts, I'm gonna back for you just to show the results on that. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. Alright, guys, the last trade success using 20 period moving average as a reference and observer rejection and test around it. Okay, I grow my balance from $14 to $177 with compound interest. This strategy works well if you study trend and confirmation rejection on breaks in the average. Be mindful of false entries, but double rejection often indicated the macro trend direction. That's all for this video, guys. That's all for that. Share your thoughts in the comments. I wish you good profits, good preparation, and see you in the next video, the next time. Wishing you success and have a great day, guys. Bye bye. See you.